What are non-priority debts? Have you ever wondered what happens to your debts when you file for bankruptcy? One important aspect to understand is the distinction between priority and non-priority debts. So, what exactly are non-priority debts? Non-priority debts are unsecured debts that do not have a special status under bankruptcy law. This means they do not need to be paid before other debts. In the eyes of the Bankruptcy Code, these debts are considered less important compared to priority debts. Priority debts include obligations like child support, recent taxes, and court-ordered fines. These debts must be paid in full before any payments can be made towards non-priority debts. Non-priority debts, on the other hand, are typically not backed by any collateral. This means there is no specific property securing the debt. When you file for bankruptcy, especially under Chapter 7 or Chapter 13, non-priority debts are treated differently. Most non-priority debts can often be discharged, which means you may not have to pay them after the bankruptcy process is complete. Examples of non-priority debts include credit card debt, medical bills, past due utility bills, and personal loans without collateral. However, there is a special case to consider: student loans. While they fall under the category of non-priority unsecured debts, they are generally not dischargeable except in very limited circumstances. This makes them a unique challenge for many individuals facing bankruptcy. In practical terms, if you decide to file for bankruptcy, non-priority debts are the types of debts you may be able to eliminate or reduce. But remember, these debts will only be paid after all priority debts have been satisfied. In many Chapter 13 repayment plans, non-priority unsecured creditors might receive only a small portion of what is owed. The remainder can be discharged at the end of the repayment plan. Understanding the difference between priority and non-priority debts is essential. It affects which debts you must pay in full and which ones you might be able to discharge. Knowing this can help you navigate the bankruptcy process more effectively and make informed decisions about your financial future.